I'm
One second. Ready? Yeah, yeah. Go ahead. Sorry.
yeah. Well, I'm very keen because he's. I've just finished a film which is based on Macbeth, and he's somebody that's done Macbeth and has done it fabulously well. And in fact, before I started the film, I also watched the Macbeth that he had done. So I'm really looking forward to seeing him.
So how much do you support the gay rights?
Well, completely. I think there is. It's as simple as any other human right, and it has to be honored. And I think also a festival like this is a great platform because there's so many movies, about 180 films from across 50 countries that are coming into a festival like this. So I think it's great. It's fantastic.
Any movies of yours that we should be looking forward to?
Well, I've just finished a film called Veeram,
Okay.
which is the one that I was talking about, which is based on Macbeth. And I've just finished shooting for Gauri Shinde's film.
Oh, amazing.
फिलहाल मोदी सरकार 2 साल पूरे कर रही है और
जी
दिल्ली में इसका बहुत बड़ा फंक्शन है।
जी, ये मोदी सरकार यहाँ पर कैसे आ गई?
एक सवाल है लेकिन कि
जी।
बच्चन परिवार जो है वो अभी कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी में जिसके इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है इन्वेस्टिगेटिव एजेंसीज के द्वारा और कई पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैं जो इसका अपोज कर रही है कि जिस आदमी के या जिस परिवार के अगेंस्ट अभी इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है वो किसी सरकारी कार्यक्रम का हिस्सा कैसे बन सकता है।
जी, वो सब अब मैं नहीं बता पाऊंगा क्योंकि आई डोंट नो इनफ अबाउट इट. ओनली व्हेन आई नो इनफ अबाउट इट विल आई बी एबल टू स्पीक अबाउट इट. या, थैंक यू.
Thank you.
ऑलराइट, थैंक यू.
Thank you so much.
Since its debut in 2010, every year Kashish has an eminent jury panel comprising of filmmakers, actors, critics to judge the 7 competition categories. This year, we have a national award winner, an Emmy winner, a television heartthrob, a film director, and an international human rights film festival director. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up as I call them on stage one by one. I'd first like to invite Rajeshwari Sachdev. She's worked extensively in films, television, theatre, National Award for the Best Actress in Supporting Role for Sardari Begum. She's done so many other wonderful works. One of them is Botoluchi's Little Buddha, Sham Benegal, Suraj Ka Satwa Ghoda. Her latest play is Gohar, which is based on singer Gohar Jan and was directed by Lilith Dubey. Thank you, Rajeshwari, for being on stage with us. Next, I'd like to invite on stage Manav Gohil, the very handsome Manav Gohil, popular actor from the Indian television industry for almost 15 years. Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki, Kasauti Zindagi Ke, Kusum, Tujhse Naraz Nahi Zindagi, and has co-hosted some wonderful shows like Fame Gurukul with Madhura Bhuti. He's also been part of Nach Baniye too. You will see his moves. Also next, I'd like to invite Parvati Balagopalan on stage. Please, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. An Indian film director who has worked at American Film Festival. He's also received the Karmali Chakra in Delhi for his work, trying to combat and end violence against women and girls. And I have had the honor to be a part of a play that he directed, which was Eve Ensler's I Am an Emotional Creature. Thank you so much. Kezar Kotwal, ladies and gentlemen. Next on stage, we'd like to invite Andrea Kuhn. Please, may we have you on stage, who started her career as an academic and researcher in film studies. From 2000 to 2010, she was the director of the Silent Film Festival, Stump Film Music Tag in Arjen, and since 2007, she has been the full-time director of the Nuremberg International Human Rights Film Festival. Kashish also has a special jury member for the Riyad Wadia Award for Best Emerging Indian Filmmaker. That is sponsored by Wadia Movietone. Roy Wadia is the principal director of Wadia Movietone, the pioneering Indian film studio founded by his grandfather, J.D.H. Wadia, and perhaps best known for his film Fearless Nadir. His brother Riyad was the first openly gay Indian filmmaker who made India's first gay-themed film. That deserves a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. You know how it is. Roy could not be here tonight. The Wadia family is represented by his mother, Nargis Wadia, a great ally. Ladies and gentlemen, Nargis Wadia. I'm going to ask all our jury members to please say a few words. Rajeshwari, let me start with you.
Hi everyone. It's such an honor to be here. I'm a jury, and that's a prestigious thing to and I was so looking forward to watching films, and I thought, oh, we'll see some great films. But it's not just me watching films. I think this has been educating. We've understood so much more, got so much more sensitized, because it's beyond just good films. There are stories, there are individuals who need a voice, and they give them a voice. And I think Kashish is a vehicle for social change, and a peaceful one. And 3 cheers for Kashish. We have watched a few films, and it's been wonderful so far. I look forward to the rest of them. Manav.
Rajeshwari Singh, ladies and gentlemen, you look lovely tonight. Thank you. Manav, would you please say a few words?
Thank you so much. First of all, I'd like to thank Sridhar for having me here. Yes, and you're so fantastic. I think I'm jealous I'm straight. I think
We could change that, you know.
you guys are amazing. Seriously, I've been watching films and you know, it is a revelation. It's fantastic knowing a community which is kind of better than, to quite an extent, better than us. You know, and you all deserve kudos. Thank you so much, Sridhar, once again, for having me on board. Thanks a lot.
Manav is so sweetly blushing. Is that blush I detect?
I want to thank Sridhar. You know, it's really a privilege to be here and be part of the jury. We've seen some films, and really you guys have like a treat. The films are fabulous. And I think I'm really excited to be part of this opening ceremony because the energy, I think all the other film festivals really have to learn from this.
She's fashionable. She's hot. She's done some beautiful films. Ninja, 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 ninja. एक बात बता सोनम, अरे माइक तो दे दीजिए, आइए दौड़, अरे कोई नहीं, अपनी छे यार। एक बात बता सोनम, तुझे पता था कि आज मैं ये होस्ट करने वाली हूँ?
मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ कि आप हमारे होस्ट हैं आज।
नहीं, मैं इसलिए पूछ रही हूँ कि she only eliminates heels when she knows I'm around. Otherwise, look at her, she's a साड़ का झाड़. Dude, look at her, how gorgeous is she? Okay, fine. I won't talk about your movies, your gorgeousness, your fashionista self and everything. I will tell you something else. She has been an ally and supported LGBT rights throughout. I know this. She has spoken against Section 377. And sometimes with me on my show itself, the Indian law that criminalizes same-sex relations. And let us therefore welcome this very beautiful woman by my side, Sonam Kapoor. Yours, all yours.
You know, I feel so much at home here. I can't explain to you. I think being yourself and being unapologetic about it is something that I've been struggling with my whole life. And being here just makes me so comfortable and so safe, like someone just put there, out there. And I'm a really bad orator, by the way. I suck at it. That's why there's always foot and mouth happening. But I'm going to quote Hillary Clinton, who gave a beautiful speech on LGBT rights very recently. And she said it's not about LGBT rights, it's about basic human rights. It's about being able to be who you are and being yourself and being allowed to just be. So it's a basic right. And I know I'm being very serious and I should be doing Premratan Thathaya right now. But I'm so honored to be here. I'm so glad that you guys invited me again. I couldn't make it last year, but I got an email from Sridhar and I was like, yes, I'm there. Just make sure my manager. I was like, please, I need to be there. And being an artist that not many people think I am. They think I'm just a fashion person. And I'm okay with that as well. I like being dressed like this all the time. I feel most of my fans or people who follow me are either women, gay men, or lesbians. that Kashish takes place. I hope it continues on and on and on and on, and hopefully one day it's just a film festival and we don't have to call it anything but that. And hopefully one day there are no labels and everybody is just a human being and it's about humanity and it's not about gay, lesbian, transgender, transsexual, trans anything, straight, nothing. It's just a person loving another person and a person being who they want to be. And I hope that day comes. I hope one day that comes. I'm a hopeful person and I'm optimistic and I love being happy and colorful and I love being here. So thank you so much. So much.
And that's why Sonam Kapoor is here, ladies and gentlemen, the wonderful, colorful Sonam. Yes, I was just going to say, ऐसे थोड़ी चलेगा. You all will have to sing the song, okay? 1, 2, 3. Brave.
Dude, I'm a really bad singer. Like really, really bad. Like I'm so bad.
हमने कहाँ कहाँ के singer हो? हम लोग कमर हिला दो.
You always make me sing. No, I'm very bad, guys. Thank you so much. I can't even dance in heels. I can't dance, period. So when they were dancing in heels, I was like, this is amazing. What amazing performances, guys.